How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto-friendly pizza with only 2 ingredients to make the crust. Can you believe it? 2 ingredients. This is jam-packed with protein and good fats. Absolutely amazing. Hey, with 2 ingredients, you can't go wrong. I'm going to show you how to do this. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, followed by the bell, so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Keto-friendly pizza. I can't believe how easy this was to make. I made a keto-friendly pizza before with coconut flour. I'll link that above here so you can see that. But this right here is by far the easiest pizza I've ever made. And it looks good. I can't wait to try it. But first, let me show you how to make this. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to start off with a ½ pound of ground chicken meat, mixed with 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and a top secret blend of 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it until combined. Alright, the chicken meat has been mixed thoroughly. Now it's time to transfer it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We've got our cooking pan here and parchment paper. Just going to put a little bit of olive oil on the parchment paper, about 1 tablespoon, and you're going to brush it along the paper. And flatten it to make it look like a pizza. Alright, it's been flattened sufficiently. Now you can just make a little crust at the end of it. Now it's time to pop this into the oven, preheating at 450 degrees for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, 15 minutes have elapsed. Alright, now I'm going to add just a few tablespoons of low-carb tomato sauce. 4 should be enough. Just spread it along the edges here. Let's add some mozzarella cheese. And one of my favorite toppings of all time on a pizza, if you can guess it in the comment section down below. Pepperoni. Now let's put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes so it gets more golden brown. Alright, the pizza is finished. Now let's take a look at it. Look at that pizza. Picture perfect. Now for a taste test. All right, this pizza looks incredible. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. That is delicious. Incredible. Man, this is good. Now that pizza, only 2 grams of net carbs for the whole thing. Can you believe it? You couldn't get any simpler than this. And this pizza tastes just as good as going out to any other pizzeria getting your own pizza, except this one's packed with nutrients and full of protein. This is a game changer right here. Incredible. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troy signing out.